trying to get these Alba beadlocks ready so I can put them on the tires and get them on the four-wheeler. When I bought them in yellow, but the color it came with was just a regular base yellow, and my quad is like a fluorescent yellow. So decided that I was just gonna paint them myself. You know, I do a little painting anyway. So wound up painting them fluorescent yellow, and came out pretty good. So, and I painted the rings. Alright, back to the Alba beadlocks. So I did paint these, and the color that I painted them, it didn't really match the four-wheeler. It wasn't a fluorescent yellow, it was more of a sun yellow or whatever. I didn't like it at all. I don't know what happened in the process. Maybe I put too many coats on. I'm not really sure. So you live and you learn. You know, you gotta make a mistake in order to know not to make the mistake again. So I wound up sanding them down, and this time I stripped the whole paint, the powder coat and everything. These, like I said, they came just a standard yellow when they came, and that definitely wasn't the color of my four-wheeler and all. So stripped the paint, sanded everything down. They came out really good. I mean, I fucking got these things to the metal or whatever. And this one is actually plasti-dip. You know, I use plasti-dip a lot on things, but I can't use it on these. I mean, this color combo is perfect. This is exactly what I'm looking for. But as soon as I go, because I already plasti-dipped all these and everything, and I went to install them, and as soon as I started tightening up the bolts, it's all it did was it started ripping the plasti-dip and pulling it. So I was kind of upset about that, so I can't use plasti-dip, and decided to go the spray paint route, and decided I was gonna spray paint them. And like I said, the coats came out really nice, and the rim looked really good, and I put some 1K gloss on it. And like I said, the color wasn't right, but the paint job was good. Like, I just wish that it would have been the right color. You know, it would have been perfect, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna repaint these and try to get them on and installed. As you can see, these are the bolts for the beadlocks. Painted them a gloss black. It's kind of hard to see. Maybe you can see it in the light a little better. Nice little gloss black. I like the way they came out. And the rings came out pretty damn good. So, and I also painted all the caps, the air tube caps that it came with yellow, just to give it that little bit more pop. So definitely happy the way they came out. I'm done painting now, so all I gotta do is let it dry, and hopefully by tomorrow I'll be able to put them on and get it started. Got a nice glossy finish to it. Really happy the way it came out. I think it's gonna look fire.